环保的议题，咱要来看经济发新社的报道。联合国要制定全球塑胶公约，目前第5轮的谈判，大家意见是要真无共款。也若伫咧谈判的会场外口，有环保团体抗议化石燃料的产业，讲因敢若顾目睭前有日头通闯，完全无咧要意全球塑胶有啥物问题甲危害有偌尔严重。
沉思者坐伫个上顶地球之庙的石头顶，拄下海正手挤满塑胶干仔，倒手摊红圆仔，伫笼罩塑胶粪扫的环境中，作品号名叫做《沉思者的承担》，就伫个即届全球塑胶公约谈判会场外电视。
Because we have to think about who we need to solve this problem for, which is the next generation, as well as the environment that we depend upon.
去年底伫韩国釜山举行的第5轮谈判失败，今年伫瑞士日内瓦延续。联合国环境规划署嘛坦白讲难度真悬。
Do we have agreement? No, especially on 3 core issues that still are in the hopper for negotiations. Can we get agreement? Yes. Will it be easy? No.
法新社报道，谈判消息人士指出，伫各国表态了后，会议气氛变甲真歹，看袂到任何进展甲成果。环保团体绿色和平进前伫会场外倒乌色油漆、模拟漏油事件，经过车因为安尼伫涂骹拖出乌色的粉尘。绿色和平不满产油国家一直阻挡公约制定，呼吁其他国家爱反制。
We're calling on ambitious countries to stand up to the fossil fuel industry and put the interests of the collective good ahead of short-term corporate profits.
受到塑胶污染海洋河川威胁生物多样性的厄瓜多，呼吁这个谈判一定要有成果。
August 14 is not just a deadline for our work. It is a date by which we must deliver.
这届产油国家组成志同道合国家阵线，反对任何限制塑胶生产的目标，和谈判亲像无法度有进展。啊，若延续第5轮谈判，公约也是以减少塑胶制品，确保会当回收、减少有害物质、管理现有污染者的主题为主。记者采访报道。